Good evening once more. So this is vidly.com. So it's really if you've got a business and you want to do, um, well, it would be like videos or ranking articles without knowing SEO. They say you rank your first page in 60 seconds and get instant targeted visitors without building backlinks. So that's links to other sites where you generate traffic without writing any content. So it's quite interesting to know. So let's watch the video and see what it's saying. Come back in a few minutes.
Let me ask you this. Do you have any idea how many targeted visitors and sales you'll make the minute you'll reach page 1 of Google for a buyer search term? Let me show you. Rankings like this, or this will bring you a flood of targeted visitors like this, and ultimately sales and conversions like this. Check out how I rank on the first page of Google in less than 60 seconds. Step 1. Finding highly profitable keywords to rank for. Let's enter Video Marketing Agency. Check out this list of untapped keywords that Videly suggests. Videly will analyze all the keywords targeted by your competitors and show you the keywords that they are using to get the most traffic. And it will tell you how many competitors and how many monthly searches there are for each and every keyword, and how hard or easy it will be to rank for those keywords. Let's go with the search term Video Marketing Agency Las Vegas. Now let's move to the Video Details module. Videly's AI engine will generate perfectly SEO optimized titles, descriptions, and tags for your targeted keywords. You'll have the exact right balance of keywords that will make Google totally fall in love with your video and give you instant top rankings. Check out this description generated by the AI engine of Videly. Amazing, right? And finally, click number 3. Copy and paste your titles, tags, and descriptions and upload your video. As easy as that. You get.
So that is the system, the keywords, the AI, and it really seems quite impressive. It is on ClickBank, so not happy within 2 months you can get a refund, but seems like it's quite professionally done. It's not like some of these make money online offers. You think, oh, what in the world's that? A lot of these products seem quite good. Reverse engineering Google, YouTube ranking systems, and the balls in the other foot. Find buyer keywords that the human mind couldn't do, but the computer AI can, and then the tags is important. So I'm going to do these videos. I can rank these quite highly. 103 visitors, so that's a good thing. YouTube, you're not paying for anything, even the screen sharing that you use is free, and we get traffic from these videos. So step 1, you get the keywords, the tags, and then just upload it. That's really what you do. So it's normally about $200 one-off payment. I'm getting it for $47, so you can use this as much as you want. And here is the reviews and things like that. Without knowing anything how to rank videos, you'll have it via this. I'm not a big fan of all the sales stuff, but I've seen that 3 steps like it. You go to buy now, you'll get more views, more clicks, more sales, and you just buy it. And I'll put the link because it seems okay, but you need a business to promote even this via video, and I've got that in the description. Very special, and we hope to see you there. Bye bye for now.